Students, today's topic is for the students who have passed class 9 and going into class 10. Student, today's topic is about banking. Banks are the financial institutions where we can deposit the money or borrow the money. There are many types of accounts you can open in a bank. कई तरीके के अकाउंट आप बैंक में खोल सकते हैं, जैसे आपका सेविंग अकाउंट, फिक्स डिपॉजिट अकाउंट, रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट अकाउंट, etc. But today our main topic is recurring deposit account. So let's see what is recurring deposit account. Recurring deposit account. In short, it is also known as RD account. It has got another name also. In place of recurring deposit, you can also see this word written, cumulative deposit account. Now let me explain you what happens in recurring deposit account. जब कोई अकाउंट होल्डर खाता खोलता है रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट का, तो उसको पहले दो चीज़ें डिसाइड करनी होती हैं. Two things he has to decide. Number one, how much money he is going to deposit per month, कितना पर मंथ वो जमा करेगा, and number two, the time period, कितने समय के लिए वो जमा करेगा. These are the two things that account holder has to decide while opening the account, right? So when the time completes, जब समय बीत जाता है, समय पूरा हो जाता है, तो जो पैसा बैंक अकाउंट होल्डर को रिटर्न करता है उसको कहते हैं मैच्योरिटी वैल्यू, मैच्योरिटी अमाउंट. मैच्योरिटी अमाउंट. So what is maturity amount? It is the money that bank returns you. अब मेच्योरिटी अमाउंट होता क्या है? मेच्योरिटी अमाउंट इज द सम ऑफ द मनी विच यू विल एक्चुअली डिपॉजिट एंड प्लस द इंटरेस्ट दैट बैंक विल गिव यू. दोनों का जो सम होगा वो होगा आपका मेच्योरिटी अमाउंट. तो मेच्योरिटी अमाउंट में क्या क्या चीज़ें आपको ज़रूरत होती है पता करने के लिए? एक तो कितना पैसा आपका जमा हुआ, और दूसरी चीज़ कितना उस पर इंटरेस्ट हुआ. तो अब मेन चीज़ है कि इसका इंटरेस्ट कैसे निकालना है. सो देयर इज़ अ फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड द इंटरेस्ट. इंटरेस्ट के लिए इस पूरे इंटायर एक्सरसाइज में, पूरे चैप्टर में जो आपको फॉर्मूला यूज़ करना है, दैट इज़ P इंटू एन विद इन ब्रैकेट n+1 अपॉन 100 इंटू 2 इंटू R अपॉन 12. This is the only formula which you have to use in this entire banking chapter. After getting the interest, we will find maturity value or maturity amount or matured value. All stand for same thing. तो maturity value कैसे निकलेगी? सबसे पहले हाउ मच मनी यू हैव डिपॉजिटेड, कितना पैसा आपने जमा किया. तो दैट इज P इंटू एन प्लस इंटरेस्ट. बस वेरी सिंपल. यही दो फॉर्मूले हैं जो आपको पूरे इस चैप्टर में यूज़ करना है. पहला इंटरेस्ट निकालने का, दैट इज P इंटू एन विद इन ब्रैकेट n+1 अपॉन 100 इंटू 2 इंटू R अपॉन 12. जब इंटरेस्ट निकल आएगा तब आप मैच्योरिटी वैल्यू निकालोगे. मैच्योरिटी वैल्यू कैसे निकलेगी? उसके लिए फॉर्मूला ये है आपके पास, P इंटू एन इन वन ब्रैकेट एंड प्लस I. I hope you all must have understood these two formulas. Now let's take one example and see how to find the maturity value. I am writing the question. All right. So the example I am taking as Rohit has deposited rupees 1000 per month in HDFC Bank for 2 years at 12% per annum. Find how much he would get. Find how much he would get after 2 years. Let me explain you this question. क्वेश्चन ये है कि रोहित ने 1000 रुपये पर मंथ HDFC बैंक में 2 साल के लिए जमा किया. बैंक कितना रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट दे रहा है? 12% पर एनम. अब हमें क्या पता करना है? कितना पैसा उसको मिलेगा 2 साल के बाद. These values which are given here, P that's principal, EMI जो हर महीने वो जमा करेगा, तो वो यहाँ पे वैल्यू कितनी दी है? 1000 रुपीज़. तो P की वैल्यू कितनी हो गई? 1000 रुपीज़. Now N is the number of months in formula. Make sure N is number of months. So if in your question time is given in years, your first and foremost job will be to change it into months. So here everybody must be knowing that 1 year contains 12 months. So 2 years equals to 24 months. So value of N is 24. And of course rate is given as 12%. ठीक. अब हमारा सबसे पहला काम क्या है? First of all we will find interest. And to find the interest, what formula I told you? We use this formula, P into N within bracket N plus 1 upon 100 into 2 multiply by R upon 12. Now let me one more thing tell you. This formula which I have written here, this can be compressed and written. This can be written as P into N plus 1 into R upon, here see the product of 2 and 12 will be 24 into 100. So if you use this formula, there is no harm. You can use this formula. You can use. So first we will find interest. अब देखें आप कैसे इंटरेस्ट निकलेगा. यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? All these respective values of P, N and R we will substitute. So the value of P is 1000 into N is 24, and when we will put 24 here, 24 plus 1 will become 25 into rate I have taken as 12 upon 100 into 2 into 12. Now this we have to solve. With this 12 will be cancelled out. With these two zeros will be cancelled out, and 2 5s are. ठीक. Now simply we will multiply 24, 5 and 25. So it is 3000. तो इंटरेस्ट हमको पता चल गया कि हाउ मच इज द इंटरेस्ट. All right, the remaining part of this question, what I did here, we have found the interest. Now our job is to find maturity amount. So maturity amounts formula we will write. Maturity amount equals to P into N plus I. ये फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं हम मैच्योरिटी अमाउंट निकालने के लिए. नाउ वी विल सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू P. व्हाट इज P हियर? द मनी that was deposited every month. So here P is 1000 into N is 24 plus I is the interest, that is rupees 3000. The product of 1024 will be 24,000 and plus 3000. When you will add them together, this will be 27,000. So this is the answer. This much will be the maturity amount that bank will give you after 2 years. Let me again explain you the procedure how to solve these type of questions. First of all, after reading the question, you will write how much is the value of P, N and R. Then you will write the formula to find interest. Interest formula is P into N within bracket N plus 1 upon 100 into 2 into R upon 12. You will substitute the values, like P is 1000, N is 24. This will come up to 25. Rate is 12 and 100 into 2 into 12. After solving all this, we will get rupees 3000 as interest. Now our job is to find maturity amount. So we will write maturity amounts formula, that is P into N in one bracket plus I. Why I put this bracket, I hope you all must be knowing, because if you will not put, then you will get confusion. You might add N into I, so that will give a wrong answer. That is why you always put this into bracket, because as per Bodmer's rule, first of all we will solve the bracket. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आप, 24,000 आएगा प्लस 3000, दोनों को ऐड करोगे कितना हो गया 27,000. आई होप यू ऑल मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड. सो दिस इज द वे you find maturity amount. Rest we will see in our next video. Thank you very much.